everybody, welcome to Burke Bunch Moments. Today is Geocache Day. We are checking our geocache and we're going to plant a replacement for a second one because somebody stole the first one. We don't know who. We are exploring in Kenora, Ontario. We're on Tunnel Island because, well, it's got a tunnel. It's got a good name. So make sure you subscribe and follow us so we can show you more crazy Burke Bunch adventures. All right, let's get to it. The mom's with us. Yeah, How to Wreck Your Shorts by Logan Burke. The turtle pond marks the spot where the geocache was hidden. I don't know, quite a few years ago. We'll have to check. The geocache is hidden somewhere on this cliff. All right, we found the geocache. It's been missing for years. Hidden under a tree.
That's a good spot, wow.
Ha!
Your dad, could you throw it to me?
Okay, pull it out, Yogi.
There's
Does it look intact?
a travel lodge receipt and an eraser.
Okay, let's check the pad.
May 19th, 2019.
July 12th, 2019. That's pretty recent. Time to put it back. Hide it well. For the next person, geocaching.com. Check it out. If you're in Kenora, find Schaefer's Quest. And this is why they call it Tunnel Island, because there's a tunnel. Makes sense. Creative naming techniques. Geocache number 1, now on to geocache number 2, completely different location. So this is the quest for geocache number 2, the caves. We have to place a new one because the old one got stolen. Probably by somebody who was really bitter because apparently it's like the most dangerous geocache ever placed. They want us to change the rating to extremely dangerous. Not for the weak of heart. Unless you're the Burke Bunch boys, and then it's fine. This is the spot where you save yourself a lot of wet feet by going up the rock.
Squirrel.
We got bears. Watch out for bear poop, Yogi. You know, in the city, you watch out for dog poop. Here, you watch out for bear poop. And if you own Clifford, you watch out for the poop all the time.
Who's the biggest dog around?
This is what we call in the business roughing it. There ain't no path where we're going.
Is this the way?
Yogi's lost. Yogi, follow my voice. Don't go into the light.
Do not go into the light!
Living like the bears. So Liam finds a golf ball in the middle of the woods, and he's gonna whip it and probably kill me with it.
Right there.
Okay, go. Oops. Bye, Yogi. Don't wreck your new shorts. So this is the caves. Not really caves, but it makes caves.
I mean, you can't go through there.
It's okay. Watch!
You have to kind of inch yourself out. Don't give up. We can't afford a helicopter to come rescue you.
Oh, it's still
Watch your back though. Liam did, you had to push on the rock. How far can you go? Get in there, come on, relive the old days. Hi, Yogi. Disappearing. 'Cause maybe someone. So these are the 3 trees you have to look for. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna hide our new cache right in this cave. So if you're watching this video, now you'll know how to do it. Slide it in there, Yogi.
Can you see it?
Go in. Okay. Leave it.
And then cover it with a rock.
That's a good spot. There, nobody will ever know it's there. Hidden forever until somebody finds it. All right, now I'm gonna climb out of here. Don't let me video you falling, it's not good. Your mom wouldn't understand.
This is like Nocturne Alley.
You're a mess, Harry. Skulking round Nocturne Alley.
Oh man, this is really.
Time for a pancake.
What? Why?
Liam pancake. I guess you gotta go under that.
Yeah. All right, this is the hard part. You gotta go like this and do a wall jump.
There, you did it, Yogi.
A lot harder coming up. Like, geez.
And that is it. The geocache has been placed. We are done our geocache adventure. We hope you've enjoyed this Burke Bunch moment. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all under Burke Bunch TV. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and we'll let you know when we have more Burke Bunch moments on the way. Okay, we'll see you next time.